From becoming the first Telugu actor to win a national award to delivering the biggest hit of his career, Pushpa stands tall in Allu Arjun's body of work until now. Interestingly, all three stars in Pushpa, Rashmika Mandanna, Fahad Fasil and Allu Arjun were not the first choices for their roles. According to reports, Tollywood actor Mahesh Babu was originally considered for the role of Pushpa Raj, but he apparently declined the part due to creative differences with the director. Allu Arjun has always been known for his versatility, yet Pushpa The Rise was the film that introduced him as a pan-India star. It was his first major theatrical release that conquered not just Telugu-speaking states but also captivated audiences in Hindi-speaking regions. The movie's success marked a turning point in his career, making him a household name across the country. One of the most remarkable milestones in Allu Arjun's career is the National Film Award for Best Actor he won for his role in Pushpa. It was a really big deal because he was the first Telugu actor in 69 years to receive this prestigious honour. Actor Nageshwara Rao's Special Jury Award in 1968 was not in the competitive Best Actor category. Similarly, actor Chiranjeevi's Rudra Veena earned a national award for its social message, but the award was for the film, not his performance. Allu Arjun's award-winning portrayal of Pushpa Raj was celebrated as a triumph for both the actor and the Telugu film industry. Pushpa The Rise also marked Allu Arjun's first collaboration with Maitri Movie Makers. This production house is known for delivering blockbusters. Their collaboration with Allu Arjun turned out to be a masterstroke. Pushpa The Rise was a phenomenon. The film grossed over 350 crore rupees worldwide, making it one of the highest grossing Telugu films ever. Its Hindi dubbed version alone earned 110 to 115 crore rupees, breaking records for a South Indian film in the Hindi market. The movie's songs like Ooh Antava and Srivalli became instant chartbusters. They ruled social media, with fans recreating them in reels and challenges. The cultural impact of Pushpa was immense, cementing Allu Arjun's popularity across India. Before Pushpa, Allu Arjun was already a big name. However, this franchisee took his career to new financial heights. For Pushpa 2, his remuneration has skyrocketed to 300 crore rupees according to some reports. This makes him one of the highest paid actors in South India. The sequel's budget is estimated to be around 500 crore rupees. The role of Pushpa Raj was a major departure from Allu Arjun's previous characters. Known for his urban-centric boy-next-door roles, he transformed into a rugged and rustic smuggler. His raw portrayal of a labourer-turned-don struck a chord with audiences across the country. With Pushpa 2, fans were eager to see a darker, more complex evolution of this character. The anticipation for his next chapter was at an all-time high.
For more informative videos like this, keep watching India Today Newsmo.